Hi everyone, today I have with me Nest Ess and Ravivc stainless steel, my finite coated and chafing dish for buffet. Look how beautiful are these dishes. The red color is enamel coated. The white one is the first ever my finite coated chafing dish. Perfect sealing, great heat and moisture retention. Say goodbye to your outdated stainless steel type. Unlike traditional model, the natural stone-inspired look transforms your event into a sophisticated celebration of nature. More than just keeping the food warm, the chafing dish buffet set excel at locking in moisture and flavor, ensuring a dish stays fresh and delicious throughout your event, up to 6 hours to 8 hours. The fully sealed glass lid and a wide silicone brand create an uptight space, preserving temperature and moisture, while the memphonite coated pan adds extra heat retention, acting like a personal chef. The Nest Ess chafing dish is inspired by Dutch oven, and so it brings you the perfect chafing dish for your party. Designed with convenience in mind, the chafing dish requires no screw except for one on the lid handle, allowing it to set up in just 30 seconds. It's so easy to set up. I'm going to spread all my dishes and I'm going to enjoy this beautiful chafing dish. I like to host parties and dinner and it's really great. It's beautiful. Look at it. This white color, this red color is awesome. So I have spread all my dishes. Let's see. Wow, this is a fish. And I have the fried fishy. Fried fishing. There's fish. Today is all fish. This is uti. It's like a lentil hinjang. That's special. It's like a special dish for us. I have some boiled vegetables. I have the papad here, crackers, and this is iromba. I feel I'm having a luxury buffet party with my friends. Thank you so much. I really love it. It's so beautiful. This chafing dishes is elegant and beautiful every gathering. This 4-pack chafing dish set and exceed my expectation. The design is so elegant and eye-catching, especially the beautiful red enamel finish. Absolutely stunning, rich, vibrant, and unique, with a depth that looks even better in person than in photos and video. This is a place for the chafing fuel if you want to keep your food warm longer. I didn't need it, so I didn't use it. I didn't use it as the food was pretty hot without the chafing fuel. Cleaning is really easy. You don't need a dish soap to clean this chafing dish. Just put hot water, rinse it with water, and wipe it down with a towel or a paper towel, and then all the grimes and everything will come out and it's clean. It's dishwasher safe. That's a plus point for me. For more information and link to the product, please check out my video description. I'm going to put all the link and everything there.